Okay, this is another short tutorial, and it is simply about the idea of grouping in context to using the two selection tool types. So I'm going to create a blue rectangle with no stroke, and those last steps I just did, you'll you can rewatch those and see that this is now your basic rectangle, and now it's a different color. Let us say that by some happenstance we have a very simple logo, and we want to make sure that this amazing design of this incredible logo, these two pieces always stay together as such, and I don't have to worry about them moving apart from each other. So I've got two shapes, and I've just moved them where they want to go. Just watch first, and I'm going to click and drag a box around them using the selection tool. This is how I can select two things. Then I'm going to simply go to Object, and I'm going to choose the choice called Group. Now, as I have chosen Group, I see a dotted line around these now two objects. These objects are not really one object. They are two objects, in a sense, holding hands. If for some reason I wanted to move them and I use the regular selection tool, click off first, I could move things around together. And if I needed to move one by itself, I can click on that individual one. And here I'm nudging it ever so slightly with the arrow tools. Oops, I made a mistake in my logo. It really wants to be like this. Click away, back to the selection tool, and now they're a group again. So that is the difference. Here I have the sub-select tool to move an object, or direct selection tool if I click away, and I use the regular selection tool. So that's the idea of grouping versus moving an object within a group. The selection tool is to move whole objects and groups. The direction, the direct selection tool, the direct selection tool is to select individual objects in groups and also to select individual points within objects, or individual points within groups of objects. I'm going to stop there and continue the explanation in the next video.